Growing carrots is tougher than it looks. Even experienced gardeners struggle with tiny seeds, uneven spacing, and tedious thinning. After all that, you might still end up with forked or twisted carrots. Frustrating, right? Carrot seeds need steady moisture, but soil dries out fast, making it even harder for seedlings to emerge. No wonder many gardeners give up. But what if there was a simple trick to fix all this? Imagine perfect spacing, moist seeds, and no thinning, using something you already have in your kitchen. This one change can make growing carrots easy and rewarding. Ready to transform your carrot patch? Meet your new gardening hero, the humble cardboard egg carton. It's an everyday item you probably already have at home, but it's about to become your secret weapon for growing perfect carrots. Not plastic or styrofoam, just plain pulpy cardboard, fully compostable and gentle on the environment. This simple material is surprisingly effective for seed starting. Each cup in the carton becomes a perfect mini planter for carrot seeds, giving every seed its own space to grow strong and straight. No more guessing or measuring, spacing is automatic. The cups are already evenly spaced, so you don't have to worry about crowding. Sow a couple of seeds per cup, no thinning needed. This saves time and reduces waste, making the process easier for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. The carton holds moisture, helping seeds germinate evenly and reliably. Your seedlings get the best possible start. When it's time, plant the whole carton in the ground. No need to disturb the delicate roots. Just place it right into your garden bed. The cardboard breaks down naturally, enriching your soil and leaving no waste behind. It's a win for your garden and the planet. It's sustainable, simple, and keeps your carrots growing straight and healthy, with less effort on your part. Especially if your soil is heavy or stony, this method gives carrot roots a smooth, easy start, helping them grow long and strong. The result? Long, straight carrots. No more forking or crowding, just beautiful harvests every time. It's a small prep step for a big harvest reward. With just a little effort, you'll enjoy a bounty of perfect carrots. Ready to give it a try? Let's see how it's done, step by step. Ready to grow your own carrots? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to setting up your carrot nursery at home. Grab a cardboard egg carton, tear off the lid, and fill each cup with peat-free seed compost. Water the compost, then drop 2 or 3 carrot seeds into each cup. Cover the seeds lightly with compost or vermiculite. Prepare your garden bed by loosening the soil and removing weeds. Place the sown carton in a shallow trench and snug the soil around it. Water well to settle everything in. The carton keeps seedlings spaced and moist for easy, healthy growth. That's it. Enjoy your thriving carrots. No thinning, no fuss. Now let nature do the work. The carton softens and breaks down, letting roots grow straight down. You'll see neat rows of carrot tops, no crowding, no wasted seed. At harvest, you'll pull up straight, well-formed carrots with ease. No more twisted roots or tough thinning jobs. This method makes carrot growing simple and fun for everyone. It's cheap, sustainable, and perfect for beginners. All you need is a sunny spot, an egg carton, and seeds. Next time you finish your eggs, save the carton for your garden. Growing your own food is deeply satisfying, and now easier than ever. Try this trick and enjoy sweet homegrown carrots. There's nothing quite like it. Happy gardening!